Hello and welcome to NV360 channel. This video shows what it is like crossing the USA land border from Canada via Peace Bridge. The border between the United States and Canada is the longest international border in the world, stretching over 8,000 kilometers from the Atlantic Ocean in the east to the Pacific Ocean in the west. The border is marked by various natural and man-made features, such as the Great Lakes, the St. Lawrence River. It is patrolled by both Canadian and American border officials, and there are numerous land, sea, and air crossings for travel between the two countries. There are 14 land border crossings between Ontario and the U.S. states of Minnesota, Michigan, and New York. The Peace Bridge is one of the most heavily used border crossings between Canada and the United States. It spans the Niagara River, which is a natural border between the two countries. This bridge is over a mile long. It connects Buffalo, New York, in the United States to Fort Erie, Ontario, in Canada. There are customs plazas at both ends of the bridge. The bridge is open to vehicular traffic, including cars, trucks, and buses, as well as pedestrians and cyclists. There is a dedicated pedestrian walkway on the bridge that provides views of the Niagara River and the surrounding area. Pedestrians can use the bridge during the hours of operation, which vary depending on the season and day of the week. Generally, the bridge is open 24 hours a day, but pedestrian access may be restricted during certain times, such as during periods of high traffic or in the event of inclement weather. The Peace Bridge was first opened in 1927 and has undergone several renovations and expansions over the years to accommodate the growing volume of traffic between the two countries. Today, it is a vital transportation link for trade, commerce, and tourism between the United States and Canada, and is an important symbol of the long-standing relationship between the two nations. If you are entering the United States from Canada, there are several things you should keep in mind to ensure a smooth and efficient crossing. Have proper documentation. You will need a valid passport or other approved travel documents to enter the US from Canada. Make sure to have these documents readily available before approaching the border. Declare any goods. If you are carrying any goods or merchandise with you, be sure to declare them to the border officials. Failure to declare goods can result in fines or seizure of the items. Know the restrictions. There are certain items that are prohibited or restricted from entering the U.S. from Canada, such as firearms, plants, and certain types of food. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the restrictions to avoid any issues at the border. Be prepared for questioning. Border officials may ask you questions about the purpose of your trip, the duration of your stay, and other related matters. Answer truthfully and provide any necessary documentation to support your answers. Follow instructions. Border officials may give you specific instructions regarding where to park, when to exit your vehicle, and where to proceed. Follow these instructions carefully to avoid any delays or complications. Be patient. Entering the U.S. from Canada by car can be a time-consuming process, especially during peak travel times. Be patient and prepared for potential delays, and make sure to budget extra time for your trip to account for any potential delays at the border. Thanks for watching this video. We hope this video is helpful and informative. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing it and look out some more videos. Until the next video, happy driving. Drive safe. Stay safe.